2023 Ram 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It includes ample space for all passengers and comes with the following: side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, cooled front seats, tinted windows. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.